Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a spiral staircase in Sketchup. So I am going to take a circle command here and I am going to draw a circle and I will type here 18 sides and I will draw a circle here and I will give a radius 2 feet here. So there are 18 sides here in circle, and I will draw another circle and I will take a 5 feet radius, and after this I am going to draw a line here and I will cut this segment. I will show you how you can do this, and I will take a line command and I will take this segment here and I will take another one. Suppose I'm going to take this, and now I will draw a riser here and thread of a spiral staircase. So I am going to draw another segment here. So this is our segment, and after this I am going to delete this lines here and I am going to extrude this, and we'll extrude till the riser height. So whatever riser height you are taking, suppose you are taking 6 inch, you will enter 6 inch or 7 inch or 8 inch also you can enter. So I'm going to enter 6 inch. So this is our uh, riser here with thread, and now I'm going to delete everything. You can delete. So you can select all of this and you can right click here and you can make a component, and should make sure that this is should be checked, replace selection with component, create. And now I'm going to rotate this. So I'm going to select rotate here and we'll rotate from this origin. We'll select this end here, and before rotation you should click control to make a copy of this. So you can see this plus sign so that we can make a copy. So now I am going to select this end and I will rotate this like this, and after rotation you are required to enter how many copies you want. So I'm going to enter X 18 copy. So this is our 18 copies. Now after this you are required to make a spiral staircase. So you can do by cylinder method also, and I will tell you that you should do one by one, so it will not take much time. So I'm going to use this move tool and I'm going to move this up here, and again I will select this and move this. So this is easy method, and modeling takes time, so you can do it easily in this method. So you can see that your stairs is taking shape. So now I have finished this and it is looking good, and now I'm going to create railing. So for railing I'm going to select this component and I will right click here and I will go to edit component, and then I will take a line here and I will draw a railing here. So I'm going to draw a railing post. So I will draw a line and I will give a height 3 feet. So you can see everywhere it's drawn, and you can make a round or rectangular post here. So I'm going to make a rectangular post. So I will draw a rectangle here, and now I will use follow me, and you can draw till this height, and you can see our post is created. And I will again draw a line here and I will join from this line to this, and our top rail is created, and you can give any shape here. So I'm going to give circular shape, and now I'm going to use follow me, and I will draw from this end to this end, and you can see this top rail is also created. And this is the easy process of making a spiral staircase. So this was the video tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.